Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Now let's get started with your reading for my Virgos, October 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Virgos, October 2021. Virgos, October 2021. Oops. Okay, so Virgos. At the back of the deck, we have the Ace of Wands Ace of Wands only. Okay, so it feels like a lot of things are going on in your head. Okay, more than actions. Actions are going, but you are not able to do anything. Okay, so these actions are going around you, but they are plannings, or they are things, or there are some analyzations also which you are actually working with your mind. You're trying to understand, you're trying to find out what is happening, you are trying to find out the reasons of the things which are happening. Okay, so as a Virgo, you're always thinking. So yeah, in the past we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Sorry, I'm doing it early. Okay, so things were not in favor of you in the past. It was like you were feeling stuck in a situation. You were not able to find out the reason, but all of a sudden something happened and you started to think again. So it could be a very good thing for you, because before you were not able to find out the truth, or you were able to find out the reason why this or that thing has happened. But because of something, some kind of ignition, because I feel that there is some kind of a spark which might have ignited around you, and because of that you feel like, okay, so yes, now I'm able to find out, now I will dig out the more truth. It can be that. In the present, we have Queen of Swords, the Moon, and Three of Swords. Things are really dull. They are like, there are breakups, heartbreaks. There are things which you are not actually wanting to accept. This is a very cold heart situation between you or some other person or the situation. Communication, you want to make communication happen, but I'm not able to see any communication in the present. So it's more of a mind game. You are trying to analyze the situation in your head only. Okay, so we will check more about it. In the coming future, we have the Emperor in reverse, the Star, and the Lovers in reverse. Things might not end up the way you want in the coming future, as in the month of October I'm seeing, but it's not like that. You have a lot of high hopes in your situation. Okay, it's not like you really want to take some decision making, but you have to in the coming month. It can be a decision making which you have to take from your head, not from your heart, because you have to keep your heart aside for some time because of the things which are not going the way you want them to go, and that is the reason you have to be little tougher. Okay, so let's see now. Let's do the clarifications. Tell me more about the Ace of Wands in the overall energy for my Virgos. Sorry. Tell me more about the Ace of Wands for my Virgos, please. King of Cups, the Devil in reverse with the Ace of Wands in reverse. Yeah, I feel that this thing involves some love. But along with that love, it involves some maturity. It involves some things, some decisions which you have to take like not fast, it can be like slow. Take decisions slow, you are in that process only. Okay, so this is, I'm really getting strong energies for you, Virgos, because it's like you are wanting to take decisions really fast, but you are not taking, you are waiting for the perfect time to let it happen. Okay, let's wait more. So I'm seeing a lot of patience in you, and you are more into the releasing of negative stuff rather than accepting, rather than attracting it to yourself. You are more in the belief of releasing the negative stuff around you, and that is beautiful. Okay, so tell me more about the Eight of Swords in the past. Virgos were stuck about something. What was that thing? Stuck in a situation. Okay, Four of Cups in reverse, Eight of Wands and the Ace of Cups. So it could be a new love, a new communication by someone or something. It could be acceptance of something. It could be acceptance of a situation, like, you know, you were not able to accept it because you have never thought about it, that it might end up like this, and things didn't go really well for you in the past, Virgos. Yeah, it seemed you wanted communication, it couldn't happen because the other person didn't want to do the communication. It could be you, it could be the person, it could be a situation, it could be a group of people where you are wanting to express yourself, express your thoughts, express your emotions, but they were blocked, they were not entertained, and you felt really not good. Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Six of Wands in reverse, the Strength in reverse, and the Queen of Swords. See, because of this thing not happening according to you, you became very tough. You became like, okay, because you are always tough. Okay, Virgos are really tough to handle because they speak the truth. It's like, whether you like it or not, I will speak what I'm going to speak. And they look very harsh, although they are not so harsh, but yes, they look harsh in front of people. Not your problem, okay, Virgos. So the Strength in reverse with the Six of Wands in reverse, you became really weak because of the situation. You wanted to be the Queen of Swords in the past. You wanted to say a lot of stuff to people, but you were not encouraged enough, and because of that you felt weak. You felt that you have lost. You felt it, because you wanted to win in the situation, but you lost it in the past. Let's see. So that is the reason you are still behaving like the Queen of Swords. Okay, tell me more about the Moon in the present energies. Okay, so we have the Four of Wands in reverse, the Hermit, and the Chariot in reverse. See, things might not be going so well again, I would say. Okay, in the present also, you might be feeling the same things which you felt in the past, but you are silent now. You want to speak a lot, but you have really analyzed some things that I know the truth. It's not important for me to tell people to just pull out everyone from the group, like, okay, listen to me. No, you are not there. You have accepted. The acceptance is coming in the present, and that is really good. It could be a relationship, it could be a marriage which is not working in the present, and you might have a lot of you might be going through a strong trauma, a heartbreak, and you are feeling to cry it out. But crying out is not a solution, which you know that. Tell me more about the Three of Swords. Page of Swords, Two of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups. You're waiting for a message to come, but you are feeling dicey, like what message? You want something to come towards you, like a message, like something, but you are feeling dicey at the same time, because what if it didn't come to you and you lost again? So you might be going through a process of divorce. For some of you, you might be going through some law issues, because the cards are coming like that, because you might have felt somewhere in the past that you lost it, but again things started again all of a sudden, and you again feel like, okay, so there's a chance to win again. So that is the reason you are feeling dicey, that what will happen now. Okay, and you are really eagerly waiting for things to happen the way you want them to happen again, I would say. But we'll see what exactly this is. Okay, so tell me more about the Emperor in reverse and the future energies for the month of October for my Virgos. Ten of Pentacles, King of Wands with the Star. Wow, strong hopes of a good family. Okay, so for some of you, you might be going through a process of getting married, so that can be a stability, a platform of stable actions, and you are wanting that thing because you have high hopes in that regards. For some of you, you have hopes of, if for those people who are thinking of a divorce, or who are in the process of separation at present only, so for them it's like a reunion which is seen, which you want to make that happen. But in the month of October, it's seen like there's a hope. I don't see actions in the month of October, but yeah, strong hopes from you or from your person as well. So this can be either of you. Tell me more about the Lovers in reverse, please. Death, Page of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. There's a comeback, definitely. This can be an ending to this relationship, or this can be a beginning to this relationship as well. But things are coming towards an end for you, Virgos. If the things didn't happen the way you wanted them to happen in the past, so do not expect the same thing again. Okay, just start manifesting good things, because by manifestation only good things will happen to you. Separation, I don't see. There's a comeback of something, because when you understand that everything is fine around me, I do not need anyone. When we go away from the materialistic things around us, we actually expect a change in our life, and that change is clearly seen in the coming month for you. Something you might be dealing with, something or someone where you would actually want to change and you want to be happy again. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.